In this guide, we're going to show you how you can move or remove the dashboard here on Instagram. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But you might not like having a professional dashboard sitting up at the top of your profile. Don't worry, this is obviously only visible to you, but you can still turn it off. To do this, go ahead and open up Instagram and go to your profile page by clicking on your icon in the bottom right corner. And from here, you're going to want to actually select on the dashboard from your profile. Then up in the top right, there's going to be a little settings gear cog. Go ahead and select it to open up the customize page. And from here, you'll actually see the option to hide the dashboard. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. Now, whenever you go back to your profile, that dashboard is going to be gone for you. But yeah, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.